are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, AC gang?
It's the girl Abby.
And your boy Capo.
And
we're
we're back with another
blazing video.
As you can see by the title, guys, we're about to do the close swap challenge. And so, on the door, man, I'm black arm. Guys, all this challenge where me pick out 3 outfits for Capo.
And we have 3 outfits for Abby. We have 3 different categories: sportswear,
Club,
and beachwear.
and so
So
you know, so Capo I go my phone in a batty rider.
Guys, just comment if you think me I go shell it and Abby I go lose, because I don't know. Capo go all in the challenge.
Yes,
competitive.
Alright. So guys, before we jump into this video, a girl by the name of Brittany, she's 23 guys. She's right now battling with brain tumor. And I want you guys to just go down in the description below and click the Gofundme link and just contribute whatever you guys can. You know, just help with a worthy cause.
Yes.
Alright guys?
Has to be done by what date?
By March 16, yeah, it have to do, because the surgery is scheduled for March 16, so everything have to go in the funds. I say it work?
Yes, so whatever I can help her, please
Just
guys, may I ask
please,
you.
she's a young mother, so just help her out. And so, and guys, we want to give 3 shoutouts. First one goes to
Stephanie Anderson. We'll
big
see you.
up yourself,
We'll see
good,
you.
she active and so.
Yeah.
The next one goes to Shamir Ellis, active and
with
so.
a comment and a like and everything.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
the third one goes to
SNS Family Channel. Guys,
up
they are
yourself.
YouTubers. So go on over there, go subscribe, show them the love. Just support with Jamaican people. Support each
that
other.
we
That's
appreciate.
all we need. And so no further talking.
Let's flick into the video.
So guys, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors.
Let's see who I go first.
So Capo, come.
Look at the camera. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors. I'm like
Oh,
that.
I'm already. No, I'm already. No, one more time. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! Yeah, man.
Yeah, team.
Go so.
Boy.
So, guys, I will be going first. Alright, guys, so the first outfit Abby come out in is a sportswear, a yellow and black bodysuit. Remember my clothes, it might be far, so when those judges and tell me what she looking like. If she can rock it good or if she can't rock it good. Let me know, guys. Oh, get the video to 100 likes. And make sure you turn on notification bell. Alright, Abby, I'll come out in 3, 2, 1.
At some time, everybody feel fine and I enter the stadium. What a long line down the flank like them a do on the river. And wave your school flag like a propeller. Bleacher.
Yes, guys.
Boys and girls.
Alright, as you guys can see, Abby's in her Adidas body suit, 3 stripes, yellow. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Did you rock it well? Wanna comment? Yes, rock it. Adidas, hashtag Adidas, hashtag Abby. Push up, push up.
Like that move. Take this thing back.
Abby say no push up. So guys, just comment down below if Abby look good in her track bodysuit.
Yeah.
Alright.
And so,
My time now to rock my suit now.
Yeah.
Please tear up now.
yeah, so one. So guys, you know some don't look nice and everything. I be attached this now. Follow me on Instagram. And so, yeah. Capo now, gone on film sportswear. My check and feel close. So introducing Capo guys in 3, 2, 1.
Step out on the field. Yeah, prime ready for go win the medal. Them with a shine down the flank like them a do on the river. Grandstand wave your school flag like a propeller. Bleacher signal your team, use your umbrella.
Guys, as you can see right now, Capo are at my high school track and field years. Queen school, big up on yourself, Queens for champs and stuff. Yeah, show there. My nice stop. And when I took a battery rider with them always after I run up and down, I was still good and so. Yeah. How much you give Capo? How good him rap this?
How good you rap this?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 for Capo.
He's a batty boy.
You're not girl on it, Abby.
He's a batty boy. But you what, 10 out of 10. So guys, right now we're going to switch into the second outfit.
Which is a club outfit.
And so.
On your mark, get set, let's get set. Step.
So guys, make sure to start from the comment section. Team Capo, Team Abby, anybody don't think I rock the program better. So guys, Abby will be back in about 3, 2, 1.
Can champion boy, you know the damn thing. Fan up for them, I sing the anthem.
Yeah.
Guys, as you can see, Abby's rocking a well pattern button-up shirt. Oh my, blue and white. Oh, she's killing it. But you guys decide, is she killing it? Big pants, denim jeans pants, about a size 33 or 34 jeans pants, bigger than her. But if it are still, we have some more. But if it are still, did she rock it well? I don't know. You be the judge of that one day.
Yeah, just make sure you tally the score them below. You know who at the first outfit better, who at the second outfit better, who at the third outfit better. Yeah, and so, I don't want to hear none from you.
Like you're at 8 still.
What's up from my AC gang member?
Tell you guys, what do you think?
I want some dirty one when them Kiapo. Move on.
Watch out now.
One go change. One go change.
Watch out now.
One go change. So when dirty boy Capo, the nasty boy Capo gonna change and so. I know I look good. As I got up the attacks this enough follow me down below. And so, yeah. So guys, introducing Kiapo in 3, 2.
Ladies, if you look better than your ex-boyfriend, new girlfriend, walk out now. Walk out! Walk out! Walk out!
Hot gal no mix with no honey gal. Her thing no look good man a la honey gal. I want some gal. Call on me gal because you know your body good.
I wonder where some gal are study round here. See them argue over man where them a share.
But they come out and all these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell them about the outfit now, people.
Yeah. Really actually, you know, this was a sweater, you know. If you don't follow me, I want to see me in an outfit here before. Yeah, so I make it in a one crop top and a short skirt and so at girl things. Yeah, club outfit is.
You know what, April, that you want to know how I'm looking at?
Shit, I'm going to
Tell them.
Make your body jump, 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 jump.
Yeah, yeah, guys, yeah. Good girl, you come out. You ready for take a girl, man?
Long time.
Take with people man. Goody goody.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah. If you don't like your outfit, it's great about that thing. Like, oh, good in
Don't forget the bag. Make sure you drop 10 out of 10 on this and I tell you no woman something. If you don't give me good, I'm about some mackerel pound.
Yeah.
Straight.
Take with people man. Goody goody.
I know me, I got change out in my third and find an outfit. See you guys.
So guys, Abby gonna put on our third outfit, beach wear. So Abby will be here in 3, 2, 1.
Let's go to the beach. Make we have a party on the sand, girl. If you're ready for the summer, let's sit out and let me know. Girl, know everywhere we go.
Alright guys, so Abby's in my beach shorts. Beach shorts, football shorts, we wear same thing we wear beach. Regular shorts and a marina. Abby a girl, so we can't have smoke on camera with our top exposed. So the marina. Usually I wouldn't wear a marina on the beach. But Abby a beat it.
Yeah.
So tell me if you don't like it or not.
Yeah, for man, beach thing just simply, you know, but for woman, you have to go all out, you know. But I don't know, stay look good, you know. I could have passed you, but you know.
What?
Hey, girl, go and put on your water. No.
You want to be a butch?
Yes, I could have passed for one.
No, no.
I want to put on your bottle. No.
Okay, baby.
Oh, boy. Now guys, I'm gonna put on the third and final outfit. So make sure when I spam the comment section in our grade, you know. Kepa will be out in 3, 2, 1.
You know see all my sexy and me have a little cute face. Nothing them not up over me.
Cause right now, me nah no worries. Gotta deal with everything. Right now, why you worry when gotta work?
Yeah. Now guys, as you can see here, this is a one-piece swimwear. And guys, believe me, I'm gonna make this out of one tights.
I don't wonder where you come from, you know.
I'm gonna look at DIY some of the, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna make the two. Some will cover the neck, no? And you know you have the shot. Yeah. And so guys, just grade with.
Team Capo all day.
Team Abbi guys, can you know a girl come out? I want some dirty boy with them cap.
Look like a female bodybuilder.
Yeah. Come on, phone one more time.
Go best friend, that's my best friend. You are my sister, but G, I'm a charge. That's my best friend.
Hope you guys enjoy this challenge. Don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe for the new.
And share the videos.
Yeah, comment. You know, make sure not go to comment, you know, like round 1, round 2, round 3, like how much you agree out of, you know, each other.
Alright, remember to spam the comment section if you want a shout out. Tag up on Instagram and the picture them on the screenshot. Tag me in this.
Forget a shout out in our next video. Alright guys, so as I said before, click the link in our description. The Gofundme link to, you know, donate any amount as possible, guys. Every dollar count. The main target is $2,000 US. Alright guys. Before we go, we are about to AC gang and shake pound.
Ready, Abbi?
Yeah. Make sure you know this because if we see on the street and we talk about an AC gang member, we are going to do this pound.
Alright.
Yeah. Until then, guys.
AC gang is out.